Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a good day. Today was amazing volatility. I just finished my London morning session. Before I go my lunch break, I just want to share with you guys how I analyze and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And we had amazing trade, especially on EURUSD, pound dollar, euro yen, pound yen, and the pound Swiss franc. Let me share a couple of the analysis with you guys. If you look at the euro USD pair, and as you have seen yesterday, we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video's description. So technically we were expecting a pullback at this level after this breakout, as you can see here. Once the price developed a bearish engulfing candle pattern, we have this beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit this level, our first target, and I just mentioned to my traders to bank some profit. Let me share with you the entry, how I analyze the intraday. As you can see here, this was the entry from last night, but this morning I did just before London Open. We do live analysis with all my traders, and as you can see here, as the price was already developed, as you can see the high and low pattern, and we were expecting a breakout. And once the price broken, as you can see here, price came back and retest without changing the color, and we have bearish engulfing candle. That's give us the significant confirmation to look for short. We banged it, and as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band at this level and previous high, and then at the first target, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here this morning, amazing trade on euro USD. The rest of the day, if the price gonna continue, we're just gonna keep taking a pullbacks. All right, so let's move into the cable. We had amazing trade, guys. Still a couple of traders still holding short from there. And if you look at yesterday, we had such a nice beautiful long. If you haven't seen, video link is given in the video description. And this morning, as explained to my trader, we are looking this level. If the price gonna stay above this level, long, otherwise short. As soon as the price reverse, develop a false breakout, we have taken a short trade here and keep taking a pullback. First target nicely hit at this level, and still traders are holding short trade. Today we have an annual budget. In the evening, we'll see how the market is going to react. If the market is going to continue, we're just going to keep up, taking a pullback short trade here. And if the price break this level in 4 hour and retest, give us the confirmation and reverse, then possibility is going to go, is going to break this previous low level, because we have this false breakout. Price give us the confirmation. We'll let you know, guys. It's too early to say. We have a quite high impact news this evening, but this morning I'll show you how I analyze the market and bank beautiful pips. All right, last night I explained to matter momentum is bullish, just keep taking a long, and then afterward this morning you can see here, this is the last night Asian session analysis breakout, bank few pps. And this morning, as you can see, just before London Open, just 7:30 GMT and London time, explain to my trader, look here, this level, if price develop a false breakout, so safest way, look for this breakout. That's going to give us the confirmation, and afterwards we have false breakout, just keep taking a pullback. So we have this beautiful breakout, and afterward this announced another pullback. You can see the momentum was very strong. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if the price gonna continue. We can look for another pattern. Amazing trade on pound dollar. We have beautiful trade on euro yen, pound Swiss franc. That was a beautiful trade, especially in yen pair. And if you look at the 4 hour, pretty straightforward, guys. Explain to my trader, previous high is broken. If the price is going to develop a false breakout, we have inside candle pattern, price nicely broken this level, and we keep taking a pullbacks. If the price gonna continue, probably that's gonna be our first target. If the price gonna continue, we're just gonna keep taking a pullback the rest of the day. Well, we'll see. I'll let you know. And if you look at this morning analysis, we had an amazing trade. As you can see here, we were expecting a breakout, as mentioned here in 4 hour. That was the beautiful breakout, because we're expecting here, guys, look for possibility reversal, but safest trade breakout, this one. You can see here, price broken. That was the basically aggressive trade. Safest trade, I explain always, pull back as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. That's explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit and look for another pullback. Amazing trade, beautiful trade. Another one is a pound yen. That was a beautiful trade here this morning. Once we see the rejection, and that's what he explained to my trader, look for here. We have the spinning top candle that's give us the indecision mode, price as at the major resistance level in 4 hour, because we analyze market in daily, and that's what happened here. So explain to my trader, look for short trade here, and after that we just keep taking a pullback short trade here. Let me share with you the this morning analysis. That was a beautiful trade. Most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. Okay, right, so let's see here this morning. As you can see here, just before London open, because I explained to my trader, this is the spinning top candle is in decision mode. It doesn't mean that the price is going to reverse, so we need to take advantage from the intraday system, and that's what I did. I explained to my trader, now this low is being developed, so technically we're looking at pullback here. But let's say if the price develop a false breakout and retest, then long here. But what happened here, price broken as mentioned here, pullback, and once we got the confirmation, we have the confirmation here. Then I explained to my trader, guys, just keep taking a pullback. So as soon as the price can hit the orange EMA, just take a short trade here. We have one breakout, second, third, fourth. As soon as the price hit this 4 level, explain to my trader, guys, it's time to bank some profit, because there's a possibility price might going to reverse, which price did a little bit. So we managed beautiful pips in pound yen. And after banking this pips, I said to guys, just wait for another pattern, which is, you can see here, another symmetric candle, symmetric triangle pattern. You can see price reverse, and explain to my trader, look for this another, because momentum was bearish, so expecting a pullback short trade here technically, which price nicely broken. And as soon as the price hit a certain level, explain to my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or banking some pref. And some of the traders are still holding short. As you can see here, price still going in a favor. We're really enjoying it, guys, today. Pound Swiss franc, that was amazing trade too. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the resistance level. We have this reversal where we need a confirmation in intraday, but I said to guys, first priority always be pullback. And let me share with you guys how I analyze. And it's not about just analyzing it, because you keep updating the price movement through live audio commentary. As you can see here, this was the analysis. Look for first pullback if we see the pullback. If not, we have aggressive breakout. Safest way, pullback short trade here. You can see here, price did not develop any pullback as mentioned here. So we just said, okay guys, just ignore the pull long here. Price broken. So let's see, we get a price broken. Give us the confirmation, take a short trade here, hit this level, bank some profit, price reverse. Guys, we have another opportunity, a pullback here, another short trade here, nicely hit to the 200 EMA. As you can see, price now is reversing it. Explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. As you can see, just in London morning session, we already banked 100 plus pips. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, but as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where we train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, we also help you to get funded. So if you are interested in how I coach and train my trader every single day during London morning session and the New York session, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So guys, most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and until next time, all the best.